everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to add rows on your mobile Discord. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video at the very end and follow the simple steps. Now let's head on to our mobile application, Discord mobile application. And as you can see, I have a server in here, so you guys need to create your own server as well. Once you've created your own server, what we need to do is here click on the three buttons here at the right side. Once you click on that, click and choose the settings here, and then what you will need to do next is to scroll down a bit, and here in the user management, as you can see, there is roles in here. Click on that. Once you click on that, it would going to pop up this kind of profile to you. So what you need to do is create a role. You need to give a role name. Con. That's what I need to. That's what I thought right now. So, and then you can choose the color in here. Make it this one, and you need to save. Then you need to click on create here to be able to create the new role. And as you can see in here, there are 4 options to change the role, or what role you need or you want to create. So in here, there's cosmetic, member, moderator, and manager. So if it's cosmetic, just for looks, show up on their profile, colors their name. So the next one is the member, talk in channels, invite friends, change nickname. That's what a member can do. That's what a role member can do. And a moderator can also delete any messages, mute people in voice chat, kick or ban members, and time out members. And the last one is the manager. And the manager is allowed to do create and delete the channels, create and delete roles, add emoji and bots, pretty much anything. So in here, in the 4 options in here, you just only need to scroll down this button to the perfect role you want to create. So if you want to create a moderator, just select and then choose or assign a member to be your moderator, and click on his or her profile and click on finish in here. So as you can see, you've already created a role. And if you still need to do some changes in here, if you want display role members separately from online members, so click on that so that you could open it and allow anyone to mention this role. Just click on that, open that one, and as you can see, there's a delete button here. If you don't want this person or the role that you've created, you don't want it anymore, you can just delete it here, or you can just save it at the upper part here. So there you go, guys. And as you can see here at the server roles, there's a plus button here. If you still want to add some other roles that you need for your group, you just need to click on that and do the same process. So that's how easy it is, guys, to create roles using your Discord mobile application. So I hope that you learned something new today, and if you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell for you to get updated on our latest update. Thank you for watching.